Hey guys, it's been a long time since I posted last video, and I'm unafraid from PHP classes 2013. So today this lesson it will be about how to create a profile page, a simple one, or if you want some comments to put it on a profile of news feed status or whatever you want to. So this is a simple one. Let's start it. Um, First of all, I need to create a table I don't have here. So users, database users, can be users, and here it will be 5, 6, 6. Yeah, it can be ID, int, and auto increment and primary. So then we're going to do username varchar. Wait, yeah. Oh yeah, varchar, and then we're going to put here the length at maybe 50. All right. Then password. Password we're going to need because of the login page. So it is varchar. Then you're going to put it as, you can put it as 150. Then email, we're going to need the email. No, it's too long. 200. Country, 250. The birthday, here we can put it as varchar. So we need to create more, so we're going to here, and it misses full name and date, so 2 more. Oh yeah, I forgot. No, yeah, it can be only these 2. So we're going to say full name, varchar. Then here we're going to put 40. Then here 70. And then date, the last one, you're going to the type it will be date. You're going to save, and the table is created. It's really simple. So what you're going to do now is just we're going to create a new one. Oh yeah, all right, new one, and we're going to create just some PHP code, and then some HTML, and close the not head but HTML. Alright, let's save this for now, and we're going to not here, that's where it is. Oh sorry, forgot here, and then we're going to this one. Alright, then we're going to save index.php. So basically what we're going to do is here, oh yeah, here it doesn't mean nothing. So we're going to save this page as index.php. And for that we're going to say yeah, head. We need a head. Close the head. And inside this we need a title. So we're going to say profile tutorial. And then we're going to open the body. Now we're going to create a form, and we're going to say that to the login page. So with the method post, well, before I explained what is post. Post, it will be post is when you click on the submit button, you're going to this page, or the page you are required to it. So if you don't have nothing here, it will go to the same page. So, or if you go put the same link like index.php, it goes to the same page as well. So let's continue. Here we're going to say, we're going to put the table. I like tables because it makes seems more organized. So, and here you're going to put username. Then you're going to input type has text, and then name, username. Oh, sorry, username. Close this, close, and close the row. Okay, open another row with another column and call it password. So this is password, and it's the same as username, but the type is password and the name is different as well. So yeah, it missed one. Let's create another row with another column with an button, or in this case a submit button. So submit, name, submit, then value, then login, and then close the column and close the row, and then we close the table. And let's just come here and here, refresh this page, and it appears like this. It's a simple way and it's organized. So let's continue. Now we have the index page, so we're going to create the login page. Alright, we save it. Login page is just only PHP code, so we're going to save as login.php. So here we are, and let's do the login page. Login page, yeah, the login script. It's easy. We just need to type here submit the variable So we need to say it that the submit variable is the same as this the dollar underscore post and dollar post. What this means is this go oh sorry this goes oh sorry I missed something else before I explained this. Alright, now it is done. This means that this submit variable means that we going find it this name from this method. It's really simple. So we need to do that. You need to do a username variable and the password variable for the login page. So we're going to do that quickly, and let's start this. Alright. It's done. The variables. Now we're going to create a if statement, or else we're going to put the submit variable on here and say that if then if the submit button if submit button yeah. Alright, now we're going to say if statement again, another if statement, and we're going to put the username and the password variables. So we're going to say this and this. We're going to say else you can put this as die. That really doesn't matter. You can say it username or password. No. Oh yeah. Please. Yeah, it can be username and username or password are empty. Please click, and then we're going to come here and say that index.php here, then close the link, and to go back. Or we could say JavaScript and history dot back parentheses -1. It's the same thing, but this is the JavaScript history back. It will go back the history, not the link before. If, for example, if you are in another site and then come to this one, if you click on JavaScript history dot back -1, it will go back to the other site again. So I prefer this way. It's better in this case. Alright. For example, let's save this, and then we're going to sorry about this. Alright. Alright. Sorry about this. I'm oh yeah, if we're going to log in, then it will say username and our password are empty. Please click here to go back. So if you're going to click here, it will be appears again this. So it's not what you think about. So we have a lot to do yet. So if username and password. Alright, now what you're going to do is just connect to the database. Is We're going to create a variable that will connect. So we're going to say the variable connect, and then we're going to say MySQL connect. This or die, and then MySQL error, something like this. We're going to see if the server has something we're going to connect with the logins of the database. So in this case we don't have a password and we don't have a localhost, so we're going to just put localhost and root and then nothing more. The same goes to MySQL select database. Here we're going to put a database name. For example, my is users or die MySQL error. Then we close this. Simple like this. We're going to create another variable that makes that will go pick the username and password from this the login. So in this case we don't have a username or password yet, so we're going to come here and then we're going to the database and we're going to insert. So insert, and we're going to say here Sam and 1234 or 123. For now we don't need this, so we just need these two. But yeah, so we're going to select go, one row insert. Oh yeah, sorry about that, I need to fix quickly something else from the structure. Date, oh yeah, browse, and we're going to edit this one and then select the some date, like it can be the today date, yeah, and then it's appears like this, the date of today and the username and password. Password is not encrypted because I did not put encrypted, so it's unsafe. But let's continue the programming stuff. Now we're going to select, just create a variable like I said, and name a query. Then we're going to say MySQL query. Then we're going but select username we can but select all from users where username equals $username and password equals password. What this means? This means that we're going to select everything from the database users, from the table users and from the database users, and one where the username is from this variable. So it will connect to the index page and the text box. So it will is nice, and but it won't work only like this. So let's continue. Uh, Alright, so we have this, and we're going to say that create another variable called rows, and then we're going to say MySQL numRows. NumRows, and then we're going to say the variable query inside of parentheses. Then we're going to say row, oh yeah, no. Then we're going to say if, then row different from 0, then we're going to say something. Otherwise, we're going to say die username doesn't, oh sorry, yeah, and this one, or doesn't exist. It's super easy, this thing. Now we're going to say here inside of the if statement, going to say while, then we create another variable, call it row, for the MySQL fetch a sock. So, and then we're going, instead the rows, instead this variable, we're going to say the variable of query. So this, we're going to say this, and then we're going to say like this, and a db username equals row username. Then we created a variable called db username or db password, just in to check it the two passwords. That means the text box username that you type and the password will check with the database username and password if it exists. So, alright. This is here. Okay. Then we create another if statement. Alright. If db no so if user variable and equals a variable db username variable and password variable equals to db password. So db password not equals here, and we miss this. Alright. Otherwise, we can say die and say login invalid, no, incorrect login ref, and then we close the ref, and then here you're going to say please click, then we're going to say here index page, and here click here to go back. Alright, and now inside of this we're going to just say we're going to just put die function with saying that a ref something. No, we're going to say uh, you you you've you have been entered you have been logged successfully. Alright, click 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 to go to, then we're going to say profile.php profile. Alright, to go to your profile. Alright, this is not ready, so we need to say that dollar section username equals dollar username, and then it's done. So this won't work if we don't have the profile page. So to work, we're just going to test it with something else. So let's save this first, and then we're going to say profile.php, and we're going to put it like this. Echo. Sorry. First, we need to do the session start. It is important in this case to the login. Login works. Otherwise, it won't work. So let's say this, and we're going to say echo, then welcome to your profile, Mr. or Miss. The profile, then we're going to put it in bold, and then we're going to just say that session and the username. Alright, why this is between two dots? It's because if we put it inside of these quotes, it won't work. Then this section, it will work. Then you close this, and then do this. Then we're going just to test it. So let's see here on profile, and we create here the username and the password. So the username is Sam, and then 123. So let's say it, and we have an error on the line 27. Alright, so let's go to here and the line 27. So yeah, it misses here this thing. Alright, now it is working, and we can just go back here and then say 1 2 3 and then log in again on the line 13. Sorry about this, it's something. Oh yeah, it's in here, the same error but in another line. I'm sorry about these errors, and I think now it's everything okay. And yeah, you've been logged successfully. Please click to go to your profile. Sorry, here and the final index username in on line 5. So we have here a problem on this thing. So let's see the error. The session is there, but this doesn't recognize, so we're going to here and equals username. Alright, so let's try this without one only. I think this won't work, but let's just try. Sam, and then 123, and then you'll be in love, and then it won't work. What we're going to do then, just try, just in case, is just put this the same thing, and instead this, we're going to let this and just put username, and here about session start we're going to say that variable username equals the session of username. Then it might work. Sorry about these problems, and I hope this is fixed. Not yet. So it's about 13 minutes, so it's time to do some pause, and I will come back later. Bye.